Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to continue with time value of money concept. This time, we're going to talk about annuities and perpetuities. Annuity means there is this series of equal payment like $1,000 every year or $5,000 every year. That's going to be annuity. Perpetuity will be $1,000 every year forever. Okay, there is no end or there is no limit, it will continue forever. Uh, there are two types of annuity. The first one is ordinary annuity. Cash flows are assumed to happen at the end of the year. That's what we are going to use in this class. And there is also annuity due. Cash flows happen at the beginning of the year. Sometimes also called annuity in advance. Okay. We rarely use that, although probably occasionally we will, but I will focus more on the ordinary annuities. So let's say Brian invests $1,000 every year uh, at the end of the year. So that's going to be ordinary annuity in an investment that provides 12% annual return. How much is his money after 4 years? So we have 4 years of investment. Assume that Brian always reinvests the $1,000 principal and the interest earned. Okay, so the face value is $1,000 every year. Interest rate is 12%. Number of period is 4. But remember, if it's an ordinary annuity, there is no cash flow at the beginning, and therefore during the first year there is no interest. The first uh, calculation would be at the end of year one, because this is ordinary annuity. So Brian start with $1,000 there. Okay, so the total value is $1,000. That $1,000 is going to earn interest starting year two. So 12% times $1,000, 120 interest. So the value at the end of year two is going to be the 1,000 principal plus the interest, 1,120. But because this is a series of payment, Brian is going to put another 1,000 there. So the total value is going to be 2,120. Okay, so now the 12% interest will be based on the 2,120, 254.40. Okay, the value now is going to be 2,120 plus the interest, 2,374.40. But again, Brian will invest another 1,000. Okay, so the total is going to be 3,374.40. And the interest, 12%, will be based on that amount, 404.93. So the value now goes up to, with the interest, 3,779.33, and the last payment from Brian is going to be $1,000 at the end of year 4. So then the value grows to 4,779.33. So this annuity, $1,000 every year for the next 4 years, at the end of the year, with 12% interest per year, is going to grow to 4,779.33. Okay, that's the annuity. Now let's take a look at this. Okay, we have 4 time period now. a year from now, 2 year from now, 3 year from now, and 4 year from now. And the cash flows for ordinary annuities will be $1,000 every year for the next 4 years, paid at the end of the year. Now, the discount factor or time value factor is going to be 1 plus 0.12 to the power of t. Okay. Now, because this says discount factor, you want to put 1 divided by the time value factor, like that. So you see all this factor is less than 1. And so you just need to multiply that. If this was a time value factor, you want to divide by that. Okay, so then you multiply. Okay, and you can calculate the present value as the sum of all the discounted cash flows. You get 3,073.35. So the present value of the annuity that Brian did, $1,000 per year for the next 4 years, done at the end of the year with 12% interest, is going to be 3,037.35. Most of the time, again, we're going to use the present value instead of the future value, but the formula will be just a reverse. Okay. Now, there is also this present value annuity table based on a complicated formula, but it will be provided for you. Okay. So, like this one, the cash flows is $1,000. T is going to be 4 years. R is going to be 12%. Okay, so we can we can use that table to provide us with the present value annuity factor. Maybe I should write it down, annuity factor. Okay, which is going to be the 4 year, that's 4 year. Okay, and 12%. So the intersection is 3.373. That's what we are going to use, equals 3.373. Now, if you use calculator and there is a rounding difference, that's okay. It doesn't mean you do it incorrectly. So the present value is going to be 1,000 times the present value annuity factor provided by the table. So you see these two numbers are going to be the same. Okay, so learn how to use that table because it will be provided for you, so you don't have to calculate this complex calculation. But this table can only be used for annuity. Okay, so if the series of payment is not the same every year, you cannot use that table. But if it's the same, it's an annuity, ordinary annuity, you can use that table. Now, the next one is going to be perpetuity. Brian will receive $1,000 at the end of the year forever. The annual interest is 12%. How much is the present value of that payments? $1,000 a year forever paid at the end of the year. That's what we call perpetuity formula. And the formula is just cash flows divided by R. Okay, so then You can calculate here equals $1,000 divided by 0.12, 8,333.33. So that's equivalent. $1,000 every year forever equals to 8,333.33. How can that be? Okay, well, think about it. If you just have $8,333.33, put that in a bank that will give you 12%. So 0.12 times that 8,333, you will get $1,000 a year. Okay, if you never touch the principal, you just take out the interest every year, you can always take out $1,000 every year and doesn't touch the interest. So basically, that's $1,000 forever, okay, or perpetuity. Now, what if you want to get money that grows instead of $1,000 a year? You want $1,000 in the first year, and then it grows by, let's say, 10%. Okay, so that's the perpetuity with growth. And the formula is cash flows divided by R minus G. Okay, so if the growth, let's say you want to be 10%, the value is going to be 1,000 divided by 0.12 minus 0.10. Okay, R minus G is the denominator, so it's $50,000. The present value of that cash flows perpetuity is $50,000. What about if you want to grow only by 5%? Okay, so let's change this. Okay, so it's 14,285.71. So that's the present value of the perpetuity with growth. That's how we calculate time value of money for annuity, a series of equal payments, and perpetuity. Thank you for watching.